Hi, I'm gonna be doing a really quick review of a Xinyan from Genshin Impact cosplay that I bought from Etsy from a shop called She-Cos. This was one of the best looking Xinyan cosplays that I was able to find, so I'm really excited and I hope it actually turns out really good. According to the seller, the wig is supposed to be in here and I have the shoes on the way, so when I get those I'm gonna add that clip to this video and then we're gonna put it all together and see how it looks. The seller She-Cos included many close-ups of everything that is included in there, and from the pictures it looked really legit. This is what the package looks like. I don't see the wig so far. Oh wait, is it there? I think it is. Well, we'll see. I really want to wear this right now. It looks so cool at glance, but I'm probably not gonna have time to wear it today. Here we have two big ropes. Oh, it's all one piece. This is what it looks like. It's very bright. We have the shoulder pads with some spikes on it. It has the little diamond decorations over here on both sides. Sorry if it's a little bit blurry. I'm gonna insert clips with close-ups. Here's the collar. The gem and the gold brooch is looking a little bit on the ghetto side, but that's fine. It has two pieces of Velcro on the sides. I have no idea what they're there for. And of course, the zipper in the back doesn't open all the way. So I guess we put it over our heads like this. This looks like a mess. Well, maybe let's not do that at this moment. Let's get everything sorted out. But so far this piece doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty. Oh, did I just break the zipper? Oh, there it goes. We have the sleeves that have this white pattern decoration. And it's kind of peeling a little bit. Hopefully this survives the washing machine. So far it looks a little bit bright for my liking. But it's alright. Okay, this is the dress. It's pretty average. It has this synthetic polyester lining. The whatever you want to call these are this foam material. The bottom is lined with false leather. I like this mesh detail over here. Pretty good. And then this is the side. Just seems a little thin. Also, this is the back. On the side it has a zipper. I got this in size small or extra small. I don't quite remember, but will it fit me? That is the question. I guess we'll just have to find out another day. Next, what is this? Oh, this is another part of the collar. I see. This is really pretty actually. I like how it fades. The little diamonds are You have some safety pins, wig cap, I think. Let's see. Oh no, I think it's a leg piece. Oh, I see. They're like little mesh socks. I like that they put two of them. This is perfect for people like me that always put everything on the wrong side or lose one of the other. And then we have the bloomers, which are actually pretty soft. I was a little bit worried about these. I was really worried that they were going to be some of those rough polyester ones. Has one long side, one short side. How accurate that is, we'll find out when we put it on. And these, I think, are the arm warmers. They're not the best looking, if I'm being completely honest. I don't really know how to put it, but they're a little bit rough cut, to say the least. A lot of this stuff so far seems like the moment I start walking it's gonna start sliding off. I'm hoping that's not the case because I'm tired of having 100 safety pins all over every single one of my cosplays just to hold everything together and make everything fit. I guess I just expected more. It's not as bad as some easy cosplay ones I've seen. They included some clear straps, which I'm really grateful for because these are like $12 in Yuan. I think these are more socks. Wow, attention to detail much. They're stretchy. They're like whatever, I guess. It's just socks. Now the moment I've been waiting for. I think this is the way. Yes. Oh, and more ropes. What are these for? Oh, I think this is the one that goes around the leg. I forgot about this one. There's a lot of little loose bands and some ribbons. I don't know. I don't see these in the reference image, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. It's like putting together a puzzle. These Genshin outfits are so detailed. Hey, it does include a wig cap. Love it. Well, that's cute. Not sure where it's from. It says weiweicosplay.taobao.com. We have the small little poops covered with some paper. Definitely not luscious and fluffy and full of volume as what was presented in the picture, but I'm pretty sure with a ton of hairspray we could bullshit it. It has a little yellow streaks on it. I already know this is bad, but I really want to put it on just to see how bad it really is. This is a base. It has the colored bangs. The side bangs are actually a faded kind of burgundy, but I mean, I guess it's not as shiny as the original picture. No, just for the laughs, I actually want to look at eBay or Easy Cosplay to see if I could find the image that is true to this wig. Bingo, found it. Now here it is side by side for comparison. Man, I was really looking forward to having the big, giant, luscious, poofy poofs. Nevertheless, I can't wait to put this all together. I'm gonna end the video right now. I'm sorry that this was very rushed. I don't know, so I might be able to pull it off. Update time. Just want to do a comparison of the old wig versus this new one I got from Doki Doki. Look at how much more volume these pigtail bun things have compared to the old ones, and that's without even styling it. This wig was a bit longer and shinier, and the color streaks in her bangs are a little bit hidden, but these are things that some styling can fix. Now here are the shoes from the same store. I ordered them in women's US size 5, and they look like great cosplay shoes. Not practical, but great for a cosplay. They're made out of this synthetic leather, and they're so accurate to the pictures and the character. There was only one problem. The shaft part of them was humongous. You can see in this footage that there's all this extra space, which proved to be a difficult fix for me because I've never actually altered cosplay shoes. The soles though were not a big issue, and they actually fit quite fine. Finally, the last part of the review, and probably my favorite part, was this 3D printed drum by Legacy. Forgive me if I'm saying that wrong, but definitely check out their store if you're looking to do this cosplay and many other cosplay materials and props. The vision and the straps are sold separately, but pretty much you get to put it together, and it was such an incredibly easy process. My favorite part was that it kind of doubles as a little bag. I know it's not meant for that purpose, but I'm not gonna lie, I've been storing my valuables, sewing kits, and other little things during conventions just so I don't have to carry a bag. And that's the end of the video. I'll put a link to each of these items, and I hope you found this helpful. Bye.